hose right here and throw it to this angle. Please come back. Oh yes! You want to see again? So check it out again. See that? Let's check this again. See that? Let's hold it up again, everyone, to see if it can come back to me, okay? Ooh, so close. Check this out again, everyone. I catch it. Let's see this one more time. Ooh, so cool. How it is. Let me see if this plane can come back to me. Oh, whoa! Want to see again? The plane right here, up at 30 degrees. Twist a little bit like this. And I'll just throw it. Now it's come back to me. Hello everybody, welcome again to TriKdanG channel. I'm Andy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design, and I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe, and click on the bell button for the latest tutorial. So to make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. Use regular printing paper and don't use thick paper to make this plane. Also, if you don't have US letter size paper, you can try A4 paper. Now, first step, let's flatten the paper out. Fold the paper in half this way first. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Now let's press the paper down. Alright, it's look good. Unfold the paper, flatten it down, and fold it in half again. Start from this point, fold it to the other side. Now I can press the paper down. Alright, now let's unfold the paper, flatten it down one more time. Start from this up edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. For slowly, make sure that you leave a small gap between the edge and the center crease. Adjust it just a little bit. So slide it and press this down. Do not press this hard because you may need to adjust it later, right? So fold this side first and then the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. Nice, look good. I press the paper down here. I press this down very hard. Repeat the same for the other side. Press this down. Now I have a very good shape of the paper already. Start from this upper tip for straight out to this point. So for straight down here, press the paper down. Okay, this look good. Open the paper. Start from this tip for straight down here too. Here we go. I will leave it like this. This look good. Now I flip the paper over. I'm going to flatten it out. I'll start from both sides of the paper. Fold this edge to the center crease and the other edge to the center crease as well. Now I just adjust it. Now it's going to look like this. Just forward to the center crease. Press the paper down and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, forward to the center crease. Let me adjust the paper like this so I can fold it easier. I'll start from this start from the edge forward to the center crease. Now I can press the paper down. Okay. Crease it. Okay, crease it hard. But don't rip the paper, everyone. Now the paper looks really good. It's almost like a plane already. On the following step, I will turn the paper this way so I can show you guys how it looks like. I'll start from this point. I fold straight out. Let's see how I fold this. Actually, I will place the paper like this so I can show you guys clearly. Now let's start from this point. Fold this part of the paper out. Match this edge to the corner like this. Okay. This look good, right? And repeat the same for the other side. Start from this edge. Match this edge to this corner. Adjust the paper a bit until this edge matches to the corner. You can press the paper down. This looks really good. Here we go. So this is what it looks like at this point. It looks really good. On the following step, I will start from this part of the paper, this upper part, and fold it straight down like this. You can see this part is remove this crease. When you pull the paper up, you will see this crease right away. So we fold it down like this. So look like this. Here we go. And then you can see this crease again. This crease right here. You have one crease and a crease on the sides of the paper. I'll use this crease as a reference. I fold this part of the paper up like this. Wow, this looks very cool already. Okay, now this is what I have. The following step is very easy. I flip the paper over. I pull this part of the paper up. I pull it up a little bit. Try to press it. You see I press both sides of the paper. Now I can fold both sides of the paper all together. And now I can start from this edge. I fold the wings down. Okay. Rest the paper down here. Rest the paper here. Repeat the same for the opposite side. Press the paper down. Make sure that both sides of the wings are even. Press the paper down. This looks good. And now let the paper pop out. Press this down. Open the wings. Adjust this part of the paper so it looks nice. And I can open this up. You can see the upper part of the plants look really weird already. Now this part of the paper, I will push it up a bit. Okay, this is a little bit difficult now, but you can do this. Let me pull it up. Okay, I put it up a bit and I press both sides together like this. You see I press both sides. I rest this down a bit and I can rest the wings down again. Now it's popped up, right? Now I have the horn up here, the wings here, and I'm going to create these stabilizers to make the plant fly far. You see this part of the plant, this edge right here. I'll start from this edge, I fall straight to this corner to create this first stabilizer. Adjust the wings. Okay, now I have the first stabilizers. I flip the paper over, fold the other side to create the second stabilizer. Here we go. Just this a little bit more. Okay. Now I finished both sides of the wings. This is up a little bit, so I need to press this up more to make sure that both sides are even. Now both sides are even. I can open the wings, flip it over. See? Flip it over for both sides. This looks really good. Fold this part of the paper up to create a stabilizer. Same thing for the other side. Okay, and here we go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And again, this is the Rhino.